Kita nyo yan, oh. Lizard. After jump in my hand. Kikita nyo ba yan, guys? Yung lizard. Lizard? Is that lizard? Big lizard?
No, it's not the lizard. It's, you know, like the some
Ano yan siya, guys?
what the name ah?
Tumitingin siya dito, guys. Tignan nyo naman. After he will jump on me, then I... Tignan.
From here also can see.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
see?
Tumakbo na siya. Yun na siya, guys, oh. Kita niya yung katawan niya. This one can see also. Ayan na siya, guys, oh. Lizard ba yan? I think it's not lizard, ah. Lizard is small.
No, it's not lizard.